is very, very important for IPA, 7 marks. So that determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B whole square is equal to determinant of 2BC minus A square, C square, B square, C square, 2AC minus B square, A square, B square, A square, 2AB minus C square, which is equal to Z. X equal to Y equal Z. How can you prove this? First we prove that X equal to Y, and next we prove that X equal to Z. X equal to Z. First we prove that this in the form X. Let to determinant value is X. This determinant value is Y, and this value is Z. So this is in the form X equal to Y equal to Z. How can you prove this? First we prove this. Prove X equal to Y, and in second case we prove that X equal to Z. X equal to Y and X equal to Z. In these two cases, from these two cases we can say that X equal to Y equal to Z. We know that if A equal to B and A equal to C, if A equal to B and A equal to C, then we can say that A equal to B equal to C. Okay. So here first we prove that X equal to Y. X equal to Y. That means determinant of square of the determinant is equal to second determinant. Okay. The square of this determinant is equal to this determinant. Here first we take the determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B whole square. We know that determinant value of determinant is a real number. Value of this determinant is a real number. Let it be K. Let it be K. So this in the form K square. K square we can write as K into K. K square we can write as K into K. Let the determinant of this value be K. That's why this is in the form K square. K square we can write as K into K. Okay. So K means determinant. Here determinant A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B into K means the determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Okay. So square of the determinant, write like this. Okay. Now how can you multiply? Here to multiplying these two determinants, we get this determinant. Here we observe that first element is 2BC minus A square. 2BC minus A square. How can you multiply the determinant? Like that, we know that multiplying of two matrices. We know that multiplying of two matrices. Like that, we multiplying the two determinants. That means multiplying a first row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column. Here we observe that multiplying the first element with first element we get A square. Thus multiplying the second element with second element we get B square. Multiplying the third element with third element we get C square. A square plus B square plus C square. Here we got the first element is A square plus B square plus C square. But in this determinant, first element is 2BC minus C square. To get this element, we change the second determinant. How can you change? In this second determinant, interchange the two rows. Interchange the second and third rows. Why these two rows can be changed? Here we observe that to get this element B into C, BC, C into BC. That means third row. Then only we can get this element. Okay, elements in the third row must be lies in second row. Elements in the second row must be lies in the third row. Then only we can get this determinant. So that means these two rows must be interchanged. So R2 interchanges to R3. R2 interchanges to R3. Determinant of ABC, BCA, CAB. Here second row and third row interchanges. We know that if two rows or two columns interchanges, then the sign of the determinant must be changed. Then the sign of the determinant must be changed. Here there is a positive sign before this determinant. There is a positive sign before this determinant. So it becomes negative sign. So put negative sign before the second determinant. A, B, C. Write the third row as second row. Write the third row as the second row. C, A, B. Write the second row as third row. B, C, A. Okay. Next. Observe carefully. Here we interchange the second row and third row. We know that if two rows or two columns are interchanged, then the sign of determinant is changes. So here we write the third row as second row and second row as third row. So here sign plus becomes minus. Multiplying this minus sign with this first row, multiplying this negative sign with first row. Minus 1 into A, minus A, minus 1 into B, minus B, minus 1 into C, minus C. Okay? Right, second row and third row as is. Okay? Please note down or take screenshot firstly. Next, multiply the first row with second column. A into minus B, minus AB, plus B into A, AB, plus C into C, C squared. Multiply the first row with second column, we get minus AB plus C squared. Next we multiply the first row with third column. A into minus C, minus AC, B into B, B squared, plus C into A, AC. Okay. Next, we multiply the second row with first column. B into minus A, minus AB, C into C, C squared, plus A into B, AB. Okay. Next, multiply the second row with second column. B into minus B, minus B squared, C into A, CA or AC, plus A into C, AC. Next, multiply the second row with third column. B into minus C, minus BC, plus C into B, BC, plus A into A squared. Okay. Next, multiply the third row with first column. C into minus A, minus AC, plus A into C, AC, plus B into B, B squared. Multiply the third row with second column. C into minus B, C. Multiplying the A with A, we get A into A squared. Multiplying the B with C, we get B into C, BC. Multiplying the third row with third column, we get C into minus C squared, plus A into B, AB, plus B into A, AB. Okay. Here we observe that 8 positive terms, BC plus BC, 2BC, minus A squared. Okay. Here minus AB plus AB cancel, we get C square. Here minus AC plus AC cancel, we get B square. In second row, minus AB plus AB cancel, we get C square. Here AC plus AC 2AC minus B square. Minus BC plus BC cancel, we get A square. Minus AC plus AC cancel, we get B square. Minus BC plus BC cancel, we get A square. AB plus AB 2AB minus C square. Okay. Okay, no. We already proved x equal y. That means the square of the first determinant is equal to second determinant. Okay. Let it be equation 1. Next, we prove that x equal z. We prove that x equal z. That means determinant of a, b, c, d, c, a whole square, b, c, a, c, a, b. Write down. Therefore, a, b, c, b, c, a, c, a, b whole square equal to, we get the determinant 2bc minus a square, c square, b square, 2b c square, 2ac minus b square, a square, b square, a square, 2ab minus c square. Okay, let it be equation 1. This is in the form x equal to y. Next, we prove that x equal to z. That means square of the determinant is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. Please note down or take screenshot firstly. Element into minor of second element plus third element into minor of third element. Here, first element is a into minor of first element. Delete the first row, first column in which A is present. Here there are 4 elements. Find the determinant of these 4 elements. This is the minor of A. This is the minor of A. A into determinant of C, A, A, B. Next, change the sign to the second element. Here there is a positive sign to the second element. We get negative sign. Second element B into minor of second element. Minor of second element. That means delete the first row and second column in which the B is present. Delete the first row and second column in which the B is present. Here there are 4 elements B, A, C, B. Find the determinant of these 4 elements. We get the minor of B. So determinant of B, A, C, B plus third element into minor of third element. Here third element is C. C into minor of third element. Delete the first row and third column. We get these 4 elements. Find the determinant of these 4 elements. We get the minor of C. So determinant of BC, CE. Okay. There is a power square. Put square and power. Expanding we get that this is in the form determinant of ABCD. We get AD minus BC. AD means C into B, BC minus BC means A into A square. Next, minus B into, this is also in the form determinant of A, B, C, D. We know that determinant of A, B, C, D, which is equal to AD minus BC. AD means product of principal diagonal elements. That means B into B, B square minus product of second diagonal elements. That means B into C, BC. Here, A into C, AC. Plus C into AD, B into A, AB minus C into C, C square. Put square and the power. Okay. A multiplying with A, we get ABC minus A into A square, A cube minus B into B square, B cube minus and minus plus B into AC, ABC plus A into BC, ABC minus C cube whole square. Okay. Write in order minus A cube minus B cube minus A cube ABC plus ABC plus ABC 3ABC common out minus in this all these terms, common out minus in all these terms we get minus of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. Okay. Here power is square, that means a number, so minus becomes plus, so which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole square. This is the equation 2. Here we get determinant of, here we proved x equal z. Earlier we proved x equal y. So from these two equations, x equal y and x equal z, we can say that x equal to y equal to z. X equal to y equal to z. Please note down or take screenshots firstly. Equations 1 and 2, we get determinant of ABC, BCA, CAB whole square equal to determinant of 2BC minus A square, 2BC minus A square, C square, B square, C square, B square, C square, 2AC minus